Rebound ni Mr. Chan. Pinasa. And head. Decodems. Blind pass to Mr. Chan. Wala. Passing Chris. Nag-break. Nagdudug ang kambang. Titira yan. Morris. Ay! So foul. Nakot. May foul tayo. Foul number 11. Mr. Chan. First team foul. Another second team foul. Wala, rebound ni Mr. Chan. Byung. Short jumper, no good. Rebound by Milo Rada. Asuncion. Aim for three. Bang! 3 points. Number 9, Asuncion. Decodems. Pass to Dredd. Steal. Aim for 3 again. Short konti. Sa kanya bola. Jojo Gagambang. Pinaganda pa. Itakin na yung uniform. May boundary na ka. Decodems. There's a reaching foul by Azicus, the Core Kings. Foul. Beyond. 13 foul. Rather check. Beyond first personal foul, 13 foul.
No.
Morris spin. Oy, the short.
14 to shoot.
Sa corner. 4-3, wala. There's a foul. Foul number 11, Mr. Chan. That is your second personal foul. Ordained for penalty. Mr. Chan. A live violation called by referee Mr. Patiliaboy. Decodems, long jumper, wala. Saved by Bjorn. Dali, wala kang advantage. Okay, time out.
No.
Buzzer mo, folks.
Diroskas ate, diroskas yung tuhod.
Okay, back to the ball. Ready? Asuncion.
14 to shoot.
Lawson for 3, wala. Okay, bola ng Dallas Mavericks. Mr. Chan. Wala. Rebound by Lawson to Morris. To Asi. Asi to Jokans. Jokans short jumper. Too strong. Rebound by power move by Morris. Yes sir. 2 points. Pushing foul. Bonus free throw by Morris Coronada, the son of Jerry Lubang. Pag pumasok rin, timeout tayo. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Chan. To si Villana. Still by Jogags. Jogags. Asuncion for 3. Too strong. Foul. Penalty tayo. Time out. Dallas Mavericks.
Sinong ball doon? Number 12.
Hindi. Yung extension.
Get ready. Patay na naman. Kailan ba yung... Sige lang, i-announce ko lang. Sige lang, tuloy lang ang laro. Announce ko lang yung time at saka score. 2 points, Mr. Global. Second free throw by Mr. Global. Yeah, shoot talaga pag Global. Pag Global shoot. Okay, our score 24-20 in favor of Dallas. 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Recodems. There's a foul. Foul number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Rep.
Recodems at the line. Not good. Second free throw from straight through Town Square. Mr. Nicodemus. Rebound by Morris. Layup, shoring layup. By Asuncion. Isa na ng labang for 24-23 in favor of Dallas. Almost steal. It was a steal. Takbo. Lipat. Fix. Foul, and there's a foul muna. Foul muna. May hawak. Foul number 18. Penalty. Like this. Shoot dalawa. Uy, wala. Rebound by Morris. Ayan na. Asunsyon. Ayan na. Tira na. Tira na. Awa, tira yun. Patay. Wala. Mr. Chan, rebound. Nicodemus for three, back! Straight from transfer. Nicodemus for three. Asunsyon. Full court game, Asi. Short jumper. Wala. Rebound by Nicodemus, and it was a lost ball. Lost ball. Lumipat na naman si Asunsyon. Uy, na-steal ni Asi. 14 Asi. Uy, 2 points. Mura matigang straight mati to Davao. Mga layup. Red. Uy, si Palpal. Ayan na, tumatakbo na naman. Tumaklipad, Asunsyon. 2 points. Lumipad na naman. Lapang mas lang tatay. Nang-apak. Medyo nawala ng kapal ni tatay. Nicodemus. Nakuha niya. Good yan. Yung 10 seconds. Rebound by Morris. Pinasa kay Jokats. Uy, too strong. Pinasa. Surbol yan. Uy. Titira yan. Pasa na yun. Nicodemus. Eurostep or there's a foul. Foul. Time out. Mr. Bore Company, New York. Court kay kasi, dalawa lang foul mo. Warning for penalty. So, doon yung pasa to. Kinsa mag-i-coach sa nanyo niya? Kinsa mag-i-coach niyo? Ay, gusto. Sandali muna ha. Referee. Sandali lang ha. And we would like to acknowledge our referee. Referee from Butuan, BJ Cabanilla. Referee from Makilala, North Cotabato, Mr. Rollis Long, and the one and only from Talam Lechon, Kakar Cebu, Mr. Padilla Boy. Along ko ay. Gusto niyo kumain ng lechon? The capital lechon of Cebu, Kakar. Sandali lang ha. Bench muna tayo. Balik muna sa bench. Bench muna. Time out muna tayo. Usap muna tayo. Okay na. Wala naman pinag-uusapan din. Saka na natin gagawin to pagka-tapos ng game. Back to the ball game. Ano ba? Free throw ba tayo? Free throw, 2 shots free throw. Welcome our coach, Coach Lady Pasi. Welcome. Galing ba kasi yung coach? Ha? Wala tayo okay. May isa ka pa. Second free throw ba rin ni Nicodemus? Yes. Dalawa ang pasok. Straight from Town Square. Asuncion. Asi. Pick na travel. 2 points. Ganda na pasa. Malayo sa first quarter. Mr. Chan. Mr. Chan at the line, yes sir.
Number 10, Asi, third personal foul.
Okay, Asi. Asuncion. Boys. Yan na, hindi makontrol. Hindi makontrol si Asuncion. Nicodemus. Muntik na for 3. Back. 3 points.
Seconds. 14 to shoot.
Jokans.
Time to shoot.
Moles. Jokans to Moles again. Foul.
Penalty. 7 seconds.
Di kabayan.
Beyond second personal foul.
Two free throw by Moles Milana. Pumasok. Second free throw.
7 seconds remaining.
Yes.
Daming tira.
5 seconds.
Yung, di pasakay. Di pasakay mga ako. Okay, that's the end of our second quarter. Score, Dallas 35.
Ay, magkano?
Okay, back to the ball game. Dallas ball. Ayan na, pumasok na si Tatay.
Major problem.
From Toril to Bangkilhan. Asi. Ups, up. May foul tayo. To. Foul ka to. Pass ball, pass ball, pass ball. Ha? Hindi pala. 2 shots. Pass ball, pass ball. Foul Toto. Nadali, 2 shots na. Side inbound, side inbound. Tama. Side inbound tayo. The Muscle Man. The Muscle Man. Foul. Foul number 12. Ronald De La Rosa.
14 to shoot.
Tatay B. Yawa. Foul. Tuha ka bilog na to.
Foul.
Tuha ka bilog na rin ka foul to.
Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Minus.
14 to shoot.
Still number 7. Silver out of bounds. Foul within by number 17. Number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 12 sa tira ng trace. Wala. Defensive rebound by number 13. Number 13. Pasa sa number 12. Tulak jump. Wala. Number 9. Galop. Out of bounds. Number 13 to number 11, Quista. Naghanap ng mapasahan. Pasa sa number 20.
14 to shoot.
13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Traveling.
Chef, technical chef, galit sa'yo. Galit sa'yo, technical mo na.
Aloha. Pass to Tatay. Pass to Amarilla. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Rebound by Galope, Black Mayo Santos. Out of bounds. Asphalt by Amarilla.
Tumalagan ka!
Toto, jump shot. Tapos. Rebound ni Toto. Pasa kay Gonzales. Second board, wala. Pass to Amarilla for 3, wala. Rebound kay Perez, step back, wala pa rin. Rebound by De Los Santos. There is a foul, number 17.
Time out. Number 7. 17, second personal foul, second team foul.
Chef. Nakadilaw. Hala!
Nalawit yung bantay bata dito mo.
Ayan nga.
Charles, fast out Toto. Pick up to Jethro out of bounds.
Fourteen to shoot.
Bakal pumasok. May foul. Third personal ngayon to.
Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Faisal, foul move. Pick up to Asi. Wala. Gonzalez, easy two. CJ, Jay,
14 to shoot.
call down, my foul, reaching foul by De Los
Foul
Santos.
number 7. First personal foul, penalty.
Rebound. Naitapay Pore. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound.
10 to shoot.
Asi for 3 points. As to Jethro.
14 to shoot.
Oy, oy,
Rep. 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 Rep.
Tagal po nila nag-uusap.
Okay, may foul kay Faisal. And Faisal, warning for extra motion na muna, ha? Please, maglaro lang tayo ng basketball. Huwag na yung ano, ha? Sa next time, automatic na technical. As of now, warning na muna.
Prep, mainit.
10 to shoot. Number 10, fourth personal foul, warning for penalty. To shoot. 10 to shoot.
Pasa kay Pio. Uligang Amarillo, may foul na tayo.
Penalty. Vesta,
Apat na.
fourth personal foul.
Tama, 41 kanina tay.
43. Ang dami ng coach, isa lang ang coach. Okay, liberal.
Puso mo tayo.
Bantay bata ka?
Oo, banday bata ako.
Hindi ko nga sinama yung anak ko kasi makulit din.
Ha?
Hindi ko nga sinama yung anak ko.
Sandali. Iwalaki natin to.
Ha?
Gusto nyo ba mag-table official? O maglalaro ka ng basketball?
Bata na.
Oh. Ito. Puro kayo reklamo. Ha? Puro kayo reklamo. Dito naka-record lahat to. Oh, sige na. Tumingin itong board natin may Dallas at saka may New York. Tingnan nyo yung saan kayo angkop naglaro ng team. Okay na. Time out, advance. Wala.
Kayo na ba?
Uy, steal.
Uy.
Unscore. Bing.
Uy, Manoy! Kaya ka huli mo.
Okay, number 13. Ang sportsmanlike conduct. Dalawa, side and down. I'll get ready for our next game. Celtics versus Boston versus Magic, next game, get ready. Asi Cruz, bang, 2 points. Major Fane, Gonzalez to the big one, number 7 for 3, bang, 3 points. Number 7. Oh, wala na shot clock. Buzzer na maririnig nyo, ha? One. Wala na oras.
Hindi, nag-box out. Box out.
Ano sinasadya?
Hindi lang. Nasa game. Pestuhan sila eh. Talo yung isa sa pesto. Na-charge mo? Ano ba yung tuhod mo na yan?
MCL to ACL na.
Kasi ano tawag dito, kakaluhod mo yan dati. Hindi, kakaluhod mo yan dati mo eh.
Bola ng New York Knicks.
Ang anak ni tatay, Russell Asuncion.
Mr. Kakapang. Jokax. Tibudan.
14 shoot. Off.
Jumbo. Good call, left.
Dallas.
Dallas ang bola. Agdas. Yes sir, wala katao-tao. No man's land. Wala. Negodems. Titira yan. Too strong. Lima ang Agdas. Titira din yan. Ay, wala nang katao-tao.
10 to shoot. Steal.
Ay, napandol. Mores. Kulang sa kansyon. Okay. Ito tayo kay Asuncion.
Kulang sa kansyon.
Tibudan for third down. 3 points fresh from the Philippines. Oh, still. Mr. Chan, layup. Yes, sir. 2 points. Russell Tamayo, wala pa rin ka-boundary na. Appearance like 4 points eh. Agdas. 1 versus 3, 2 points. Walang bumababa sa New York. Jojo Galapang. Foul.
Second personal foul, number 7, first team foul.
Oy, wala. warm up na pala shooter to. Stephen Curry tas Matos. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Foul. Blocking foul. Asuncion.
Second personal foul. First team foul.
Nicodemus. Straight from Town Square.
14 to shoot.
Mr. Chan. Yes, sir. 3 points. Lamang-lamang. Dallas, bumaliktad na. Tibulan again for 3. Sobra. Na-save. Oops. Ang hirap yung buko. Foul. Wala, foul mo na. Foul mo na before. Okay, down. Good ball.
Second personal foul.
Ibang klase ito,
Second team foul.
pwede natin galing from Karkar.
14 shot clock.
Lipad! Ayan na, Nicodemus. Mr. Chan, 2 points. Time out! New York Knicks.
Balik kaya? Kukulit! Wala.
Trabaho na ba kaya na?
Wala po. Mahirap isama. Takoy!
Okay, get ready. Next game, Magic versus Boston. Asuncion. Uy, sayang. Asuncion save the ball. Andun sa foul. Hops. Technical kayo sa referee. Tatawa-tawa lang yan, pero technical yung kayo niyan.
Number 10. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Asuncion. Mr. Chan, layups. Yay, wala. Agnas, 2 points. Agnas from DIB. Save the bell. 49-54 in favor of Dallas. Yes, sir. Time out. Dallas, 3 points. Jokags from Actao, Jerome, Davao City. Punta lang kay Toto. Okay, back to the ball game. Nicodemus. Agnes. Tama. Why? Sige, nagbigla mo diha. Di na bukta rin. Tama. Nicodemus.
14 to shoot.
Mr. Charles.
10 to shoot. 6 to shoot.
6 seconds.
Seconds to shoot.
6 seconds shot clock.
Rep.
Compound. stats ka. Nicodemus. Dennis, busog na naman. Uy! Supalpal! For 3 points. Number 9, Asuncion. Oh, bumaliktad naman lamang.
Patay sunog yun ah.
New York na naman.
14 to shoot.
Subdivision rep.
Nilabas ang star player ni tatay ah. Upo ka muna.
Foul. Holding foul. Morris Mirada.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Bumawi ka rin pa. Uy!
Mr. Chan.
Oh, sayang.
Kagampang. Wala. 2 points.
To shoot.
Ball!
3 points. 4 minutes.
All 57.
Mr. Chan.
To shoot. 9 to shoot.
3 points. Kung may pag-shot nyo, takot sa ka. So, patyo ni mong pinto. Ayun na, Megodems.
To shoot.
Mr. Chan.
10 to shoot.
Ganda na pasa.
Oh!
Sandali. Excited ka masyado. Okay. Profile subdivision.
Number 9.
Ganda ng pasa, no?
Personal foul.
Ganda sana ng pasa.
Excited kayo na.
Ganda ng pasa.
Oy, foul tayo. Nag-pushing sa likod. Time out! Dallas Mavericks.
Sino foul? Agnas, fourth personal foul, warning for penalty.
14 to shoot.
Okay, may foul tayo. Holding foul. Holding foul tayo.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Penalty. Penalty. Third personal foul, number 7.
Koy. Koy. Morris. Ay! Mura magsidildo. Mura magsidildo niya. Okay. Negodems.
14 to shoot.
Sandali. Relax lang. May koreksyon yan. May koreksyon ng referee.
14 shot clock. 14.
Ala, nice steal.
Last
Chan. Wala. Pasa. Ay! Sayang. Physical lang kayo, okay lang yan. Basta ko lang extra elbow, ha? Sandali. Bakit nangyari?
Sub.
Saan mo na? Baka ano pa mangyari? Okay lang yan.
14 shot clock. 14.
Hey.
14.
Good, ano ba talaga? Saan ba yan? Okay, saan lang. Pwede saan kasi hindi makahinga. Huwag natin pilitin.
14 shot clock. Reset. 10 to shoot.
In simple points.
To shoot. 10 to shoot.
Wala. Negodems. Negodems.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Ganda na pagkatasa. Yes! By 2 points, most power. Number 24, Ratzel Tamayo.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Nice rebound. Ayan na. Ay! Bakit? Ay! Matiktikan. Tumama sa paa. Tawagan. Respetuhin natin ang tawag ng referee. Tumama sa paa. Doon. Okay, one man bench, Dallas. May tawag na referee. Respetuhin natin tawag na referee. Alam niya, nakikita niya.
Number 7. Fourth personal foul.
Yes, sir.
Fourth violation.
Galit si tatay. Hiningi mo, syempre ibibigay sa'yo. Hiningi mo.
Dallas.
Okay. Tumama. Tatawag ng referee pag tatawag yun.
Ref.
Warning for penalty, New York. Penalty, Dallas. BJ, tanong mo, 14 ba o 24? 24. Time. Shot. Time out. Time out gusto nyo. Time. Wala problema. Meron kayong players time out, meron kayong time out. Pwede kayo mag-time out, hindi mo shoot ng bola, pwede kayo mag-players time out. Oh, 14 seconds tayo, 14 seconds.
14 second shot lang. 29 seconds remaining. 29. 14 on the shot clock.
Walang hawak. Ayan, Mr. Chan. Good.
Hindi tumama. 10 to shoot.
Fresh 14.
5 to shoot.
Foul. May foul. Respetuhin natin ang tawag na referee.
Penalty.
Tawag na referee. Penalty.
Ref. Nagre-reklamo si Jokag. Hiningi niya yung bola, ibibigay talaga sa kanya.
Tama tayo, shoot ang bola, tama tayo.
Bakit ka?
Gawan niya eh.
Hindi na ibibigay sa kanya yung bola.
Nagulat eh.
Hinagis bigla yung bola.
Gawan niya kasi.
Ref, si tatay.
Pag pumayag, time out.
Time out.
Players, time out tayo.
Oh, pag pumasok, automatic time out, ha? Okay, inbound by Banayo. Anong desisyon ng referee? Same ball now, same ball. 12 seconds.
Score 63-64. Isa lang ang lamang. Oy, kumle.
Double dribble. Hayang pa sa... Injury time out. Bench players. Tay. Bench players tayo. Bench muna. Usap muna kayo dito. Bench players. Hayaan nyo na.
Grabe talagang New York Knicks. Laging 2 oras ang game.
Tay. Ikot, harapin mo. Greg, ano ba? Time out! Dallas.
Ang tagal! Ganda ng laban. Wala nang pinag-uusapan yan. Hindi rin naman masusunod.
Antipuri, New York Knicks, 1 timeout. Dallas Mavericks, 1 players timeout.
Manoy, iga po muna digde.
Okay, let's get it on. Foul.
Wala.
Penalty. Both teams are penalty.
Wala naman. Wala naman.
8 seconds. Kayo, mag-players timeout kayo. Ang pwede lang mag-timeout yung may bola, ha? Dallas. Wait. Isang segundo lang nakuha na kasi automatic foul. Tatay Puri, wala kayong players timeout, ginamit nyo. 1 timeout, regular timeout na kayo. New York Knicks, mag-regular timeout. Dallas. Para bang championship ko eh. Okay, time out. New York Knicks.
Puta, 2 oras ang laro niya.
Okay, 8 seconds. Okay, pasang bola.
Rep.
Ay, sayang. Players timeout, dalagang players timeout. Timeout.
O, talagang overtime pa. Nag-overtime pa.
Dito mo. Samok lang mo na. Ito. Nadagan yung reklamo. Greg, 1 second, ha? Deal. Okay, back to the ball game.
Nahihit nga.
Pass and shoot na lang yun, ha? Wala nang dribble, ha? Okay. Wala na oras. 2 oras ang kinain natin. Isa-isang timeout. Wala na players timeout. Regular timeout lang.
Ang tagal. Ang tagal ng laro.
14 to shoot. shoot.
Oh! May shoot pa yun.
Opo kayo, player. Opo. Matiktikan kayo, opo.
14 to shoot.
Wala, buti na lang. Foul mo na. Both teams penalty.
Who's foul rep? Number 10. 5 foul, number 10.
Sandali. 5 fouls number 10. Palit. Sab ka? Substitution.
Sub.
Hinawa na. Ay! Wah!
Muntik na ma-steal.
14 to shoot.
1 minute and 45 seconds.
10 to shoot.
Wala. Kamayo. Wala. Shot mo na yan. Yes. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Kagampan!
Iwanan!
Points
Ano naman?
sa wakas. Sandali. Yeah. Tik. Repeat. Sandali.
Magulo!
Basic. Andali ha? Basic. Alam natin mga player, pag sinunod ng bola, ilabas mo. Wala namang pumito. Patay yung connect. That is violation. Tama, di ba? Pag kukunin ng referee, that is violation. Labas nyo, bigay ang bola. Ito na ulit ka lang. Oras natin.
10 to shoot.
Hagapan. Penalty. Foul number 11.
Number 11.
Nabaliktad pa tuloy.
Third personal foul. Penalty.
Kaya nga.
Uy, swerte talaga.
Pumasok yung isa. Dalawa. 45 seconds. Ayun, tatay. Paupo niyo mga player. Huwag lang, sa likod.
Foul number 9. Asuncion. Fourth personal foul.
Dennis, sa gabal ka, umalas ka dyan. Lumabas. Isa pa. Pasok. Wala pa rin time out. May isa-isa timeout kayo, ha? Hindi pa nyo nagamit, ha? Lipad! Wala!
15 seconds, 15. 10 seconds.
2 points, time out!
Dallas.
Ah!
7 seconds remaining.
3 points mo! Para overtime ulit! Ay! 3 points nyo para overtime ulit, ha? Oh, 3 points nyo para overtime!
Alam mo, naiinit kayo, Boston.
7 seconds.
Alam mo, naiinit ka na.
7 seconds.
7 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano dito? Dito ka! Dito ka! Dito ka! Dito ka!
Time, sorry. Hey,